for a few minutes? That's just fine. Starfish multiply when cut. Just a little off the top, please. I buy Band-Aids by the truckload. Choppity, choppity, chop, chop. Quick, quick, quick. I think I need a transfusion. Go back to the Bates Motel. Incisions, incisions. Cut me out of here. Go back to the Bates Motel. Prick me, do I not bleed? Hi, Chihuahua. Go back to the Bates Motel. Oh, this is a slice of life. Cut me out of here. I'm dying. Oh, pain, the pain. Bludgeon me instead. Do you know how to apply a tourniquet? You're too stabby. Get off me, Freddy. You're quite the J-Blade, aren't you? Oh. Hi, Chihuahua. Just a little off the top, please. Aren't you nightmares? Uncle Skip, sneak bite venom. Hey, Hannibal, let's watch cartoons instead. Son of a bee stain. Uncle Skip, sneak bite venom. Quirky nightmares. Hi, Chihuahua. Get off me, Freddy. The pain. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Starfish multiply when cut. Hi, Chihuahua. You're too stabby. Uncle Skip, sneak bite venom. You're too stabby. Sharp, sharp, sharp. I think I need a transfusion. Starfish multiply when cut. You're killing me.